Connecting your iPhone to a smart TV just makes everything way better. You get a bigger screen, it's much easier to watch content, and you don't have everyone trying to look at a tiny phone when you're showing something. There are two ways I'm going to show you. So first, you'll want to open the Control Center on your iPhone, and then look for this small icon with two overlapping rectangles. This is what we call the screen mirroring option, and once you tap on it, it's going to give you a list of devices that are AirPlay compatible. From here, your job is to find your smart TV on the list. In my case, I'm using an LG Smart TV, and here it is. So I'll tap on it, and my iPhone will start screen mirroring onto the bigger display. If you don't see your TV on the list, make sure that both your iPhone and your TV are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. If you're using mobile data on your iPhone or you're connected to a different network, you'll need to switch to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. Once you do that, your smart TV should appear in the screen mirroring list. The second way of doing this is if you watch a lot of YouTube videos and want to cast those videos from your iPhone to your TV. It's a pretty straightforward process. You'll want to open any video in your YouTube app and then look for the small cast icon at the top of the screen. It's usually located next to the captions or CC button. Tap on it and it will show you a list of devices you can connect to. Find your TV on the list, tap on it, and wait a couple of seconds for your iPhone to connect. Once it does, your YouTube video will start playing on your TV.